and keep watch over the whole flock, in which the Holy Spirit has placed you as bishop to govern the Church of God.
Great and immense joy filled the air as the entire Catholic family in Nigeria gathered in Wukari, Taraba State to witness the canonical erection and episcopal ordination of Msgr Maigida Nzukwein as the pioneer bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Wukari. As reported by the Catholic Archbishop of Abuja, His Grace Most Reverend Dr. Ignatius Kaigama, the long-desired and long-awaited Wukari Catholic Diocese was erected on the 13th of April 2013, with Msgr Maigida Nzukwein ordained and installed as its pioneer bishop. Despite the closure of Jalingo Airport and the inability of many bishops to fly into Jalingo before traveling by road to Wukari, almost 40 bishops still attended the ceremony. The historic canonical erection and Episcopal Ordination Mass was presided over by His Excellency Archbishop Antonio Guido Filipazzi, the Apostolic Nuncio to Nigeria, having traveled over 8 hours by road, crossing the River Benue in Ibi by local boats, and concelebrated by Cardinal Onaikon, Cardinal Opaleke, archbishops, bishops, and many priests. Many female religious and thousands of enthusiastic laymen and women, including many non-Catholic Christians and Muslims, were present and participated excitedly. Kaigama prayed that the creation and erection of Wukari Diocese, quote, be the more reason for more solid peace, stronger unity, and more enduring love without boundaries among all the ethnic, religious, and political communities in this lovely area of Taraba State. End of quote. Wukari Diocese was carved out of the Catholic Diocese of Jalingo, with Bishop Charles Hamawa succeeding Ignatius Kaigama as its second bishop. During the event, the Catholic Bishop of Jalingo, Most Reverend Charles Hamawa, welcomed and thanked all who made the journey of Wukari Diocese's creation and erection a huge success.
Archbishop Lucius Guerejo Goji, represented by the Vice President, Archbishop Matthew Mangoso Ndagoso, Your Graces the Archbishops, Your Lordships the Bishops, Monsignori, Major Religious Superiors, Priests and Consecrated Persons, State and Wukari, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen of the press. It is my singular privilege and honor to warmly welcome all of you to Wukari, soon to be the official seat of the new Diocese of Wukari by the Episcopal Ordination and installation of Msgr Maigida Nzukwein, its first bishop. Thank you for honoring our invitation to attend this spiritual ceremony of Episcopal Ordination.
Highlights of the event include the singing of the Litany of the Saints, the laying on of hands on the new bishop by the cardinals, archbishops, and bishops present, as well as the investiture of the new bishop. Until his episcopal ordination, Msgr Maigida Nzukwein was rector, St. Augustine Major Seminary, Jos, Plateau State.
When the chief shepherd appears, you may deserve to receive from him the unfading crown of glory. receive the crozier, the sign of your pastoral office, and keep watch over the whole flock, in which the Holy Spirit has placed you as bishop to govern the Church of God.
Now that the investiture is over, the new bishop is being taken to his own cathedral. The bishop present will greet and welcome the new bishop, Most Reverend Maigida Nzukwein,